Hello, welcome to my reality Jeep life with me, the Vermont Jeep Girl, and this is my daily vlog of 2013. Here I am under the hood of Lola. That's right. For those that don't know, this is my 97 Cherokee. I was away this weekend at the Meadowy Mud Fling, and I think Lola was just a little bit jealous she didn't get to come out and play, because I came out here this morning, take my son to school, turned the key, and guess what? There was nothing. No lights, no nothing. So, run down to the store and get him to where he's got to be. Went in and I got the voltmeter, checked a couple things, everything looked okay, checked a few of the fuses in the box, also checked the battery, and the battery had 12.75 volts in it, so I knew the battery was good. So basically, when you get to something like this, at 12.68, you get to something like this, the first thing you want to do is you want to check your ground. The ground on my battery, don't know if you can see these or not, but it's corroded. I got some green corrosion in there. The other one here going to it also. So what I did was I took these off. I took the terminal cable off, and I used the terminal cleaner, the one with the little tiny wires in there, and you know, gave it a good cleaning. Also took my wire brush, and I wire brushed all the corrosion off of here. Also, as you can see, I didn't do this one yet. As you can see, this is the top piece that goes on top of my connection, and you can see all the corrosion that's in there. So I'm going to have to clean this off too. And once I'm done cleaning this, we're going to go try turning the key on and see if this was my problem. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not on the camera, but what I'm doing is I'm taking my ground wire and I'm separating these wires, because inside you can see there's all kinds of corrosion built up in there. Taking my wire brush, and I am like almost like combing it like hair, and it's taking the corrosion off really nice, and it's shining these up. We need to make some good contact here with this ground. Lola needed some girl time, I guess. With this pretty clean, and I scraped off the top of this one. I'm just going to take this sandpaper though and get a little more off of here. Okay, that looks a heck of a lot better than it did. Twist you guys back together. Warm out here. Okay, I just cleaned up, let's see, it's kind of, okay, I just cleaned up the negative terminal, and the positive isn't looking any good either. Look at the corrosion that's on top here, on my top piece, and my wires, stupid shade. I gotta clean these wires up too, and hopefully this is my problem. Yep, my positive terminal is pretty well corroded too, so I'm going to take a little time here and I'm gonna clean up my positive and hope that this will work. I've just cleaned the wires on the positive side now, and I've also cleaned the terminal and the terminal end, the same way I just did the negative side. Now I'm gonna put these back on here. Oh, she's gonna start. Okay. Feels good and tight. We're gonna try to start her. Clear all her stuff out of the way here. Okay, now that both terminals are nice and clean and Lola starts, that's a good thing. I just wanted to mention, I'm not sure who left this on my windshield of Lola. I'm not really sure what it is. It says White Trash Bash, May 25th. Live music, Mud Bog, Hubbard Farm. No glass bottles, 666 Hubbard Lane Place. Bring BYOB 21 plus. Food while it lasts, cozies your ticket. Taxi on site. So I guess I'm going to be checking this out. Looks like some kind of event. Hopefully they have a Facebook page. Or if you know who posted this, or if you were the one that posted this, send me a message because I'd like to know a little more about it. I know it says it's on Hubbard Lane, but what town? Hubbard Farm. I'm not really sure where that is, but send me a message. You can email me at vermontjeepgirl@hotmail.com. By the way, if you have any events coming up that you think are pretty cool and you'd like to share them with me, also send them to me. You can also catch me on Facebook under the Vermont Jeep Girl, and I look forward to hearing from you and sharing the trail someday. Have a good day, guys.